Good afternoon, class. My name is Juliana Sheps, and along with Winship Moody, we will be performing our presentation on ThoughtSpot. ThoughtSpot is a modern analytics cloud company. It provides detailed analytic insights at the point of impact for every user at every level. So within an organization, whether you are at the top of the company or have an entry-level data analytics position, you can analyze data for the company. So here's a little bit of background on ThoughtSpot. It was founded in 2012 in Sunnyvale, California, and the two founders are Ajit Singh and Amit Prakash. But the current CDO is Sadush Nair. So all three of these men have backgrounds in working for different web analytics companies, and they wanted to start up their own, and they still work together as a team to this day. So now I'm going to discuss the customer target market. ThoughtSpot is a search and artificial intelligence analytics platform that allows you to collect data from billions of rows of data. So examples of companies that use this is Apple, BT, Hulu, Hilton, Walmart, and they use this to collect data for their company on how they can perform better, what their customers interact with, as well as provides insights for the company. So to continue the customer target market, other companies that would use ThoughtSpot, despite some of the ones that I already named, are banks, financial services, manufacturing, and logistic companies, the public sector, or media and communications companies. So they do have a free trial for 30 days, and this is very easy to sign up for. You go on thoughtspot.com, you go to the top right of the website, and you can just click the free 30-day trial. And I provided a screenshot here to where you can put your business email. I used my school one. And then they ask what data warehouse you are going to select, but you can have the option to click none or you don't know. So I clicked the none option when I created the account. So for the pricing, ThoughtSpot is very discreet about it. They have two subscription options, but they don't tell you how much it would be. You have to contact them directly and tell them more about the company and what you would use it for. So the basic one is ThoughtSpot Enterprise. So that's search to analyze and determine the one-click automated insights. And then ThoughtSpot Everywhere, you can build interactive data apps with a low-code developer-friendly platform. And then I'm going to go into the other benefits that the upgraded version has. So you can do an embed search, live boards, charts, tables, the full application. You can insert your own custom actions in ThoughtSpot UI. And then there's more like visual embed, developer playground. You can customize logos, fonts, colors, access to different databases. It generates reports for you. And then you also have access to an online community if you have any questions, and you can look at some other data that other companies have learned and how they use it to improve. So the installation process, this is pretty simple as well. So after you sign up for the free trial, they send you an activation link in your email, which takes you to the ThoughtSpot dashboard. It connects you to the main dashboard where you can upload a CSV file like we used in our last assignment, or you can update anything directly from your company's website or a shared file. You click the top right to search answers on the live board, and they show you some examples on sample questions. And then the top left is where you can analyze the data and the live boards. It's a pretty simple database to use. There's help buttons, you can type in questions, and everything goes step by step. So now I'm going to pass it off to Winship to continue the presentation.
Hello, class. I'm just gonna say thank you to Juliana for starting us off, and I'm gonna finish up our presentation on ThoughtSpot. So here you see the main dashboard on our website. It's called a live board, showing you just some of the clickstream analysis metrics used. Our free trial was done with this sales performance data. So it shows you the total sales by store, by date, by item type, and that's just some of them. So ThoughtSpot has real-time reporting and report segmentation capabilities. So these visits are in real time, and the report is available as a dashboard widget. It refreshes every 5 seconds. It is a cloud-based business BI format, so this interface can be used by many different people at the same time, which allows for great collaboration. You can analyze the website by the line of business, conversion goal, topic, and brand. You can also report data sources and enter in formulas to create the best ultimate visualization. So just another picture of some of the dashboard features and what's unique for our interface ThoughtSpot. So this is just another screenshot of the lower half of the live board. Shows you how all these different sales are categorized by Yosemite jacket, Rainstar jacket, all the different types of products we have sold, and the amount of each quantity purchased. So this is the page that comes up if you try to delve into any of these topics a little bit more further, and you can add filters to this. It even has suggestions in which you can click on. I think that's probably one of the best parts about ThoughtSpot. Kind of does the thinking for you, where you are kind of at a tough spot trying to look at data, and it has suggestions and things to kind of give you a stepping stool to get to the final data that you want to see and how you want to see it visualized. So the usability and the advantages of ThoughtSpot. This interface was very easy to use from the beginning to the end. And I think that a good thing about this website is it's easy to use completely at the beginning, although it does get harder to use the more complicated and further you want to delve into each topic. The base and the soul of the website is very easy to get a handle on, get results very quickly. This is due to the effect that you're kind of searching keywords on something like Google, and it's giving you visualizations. You search sales, product type, and the name of the month, and you're going to get a visualization on what kind of sales was done in that month and which item was sold. So it's portraying all this data on one dashboard, which makes it everything easier to analyze and easier to analyze as a collaboration. You can have the engineers looking at it at the same time, the salespeople are looking at it at the same time as the CEO. So ThoughtSpot can act as an in-house Google. You're almost searching. It's almost can be used for search engine optimization. You're almost using this website as your Google, and you're getting the answers to your data. You're not getting the answers to everything online, but you're getting the answers that you need at a very fast pace based on the information technology used and analytics used on this website. Another good thing about ThoughtSpot is how easily it's shared. You can share just part of it. You can share your whole dashboard. You can share just a PDF of just one little piece, and everything is shared right just a PDF. You can do the whole document. And another good quality of ThoughtSpot is the mobile access. People are traveling more and more every day, and they need to be able to look at their data on their phone and when they're on the go. So having mobile access just enhances our ThoughtSpot and makes it very easy for collaboration again. So a couple of the drawbacks to our website, ThoughtSpot here. As I said earlier, it does get a little complicated as you delve into multiple filters and trying to get the most exact visualizations, but just the stage one of things was very easy to get a hold of. Another thing that I saw online was that for visuals, the additional color options were lacking many options, and people were complaining about this due to color maps when they were talking about something being good or bad and kind of using green and red as marking this or something positive and negative, and needing these colors to kind of show as a visualization that green is good and red is bad. And to sum everything up, the last thing that I saw that was a little bit of a drawback for ThoughtSpot was the lack of different types of charts. Anytime you're getting visualizations, it's good to see it in multiple different manners. So if you only have a couple different charts, you can't see every angle of our data. So thank you, and I hope you enjoyed the presentation.